This is in proportion, so a by b equal to c by d, that is equal to x plus 3. A by b equal to c by d, that is your 3x minus 7 by minus 5. This is your minus 5x minus 15 minus 5x minus 15 equal to 3x minus 7. That is your minus 5x minus 3x is minus 8x equal to, this is minus 15 plus 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. So x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. This one is the correct answer. Next one. The mark price of a refrigerator equal to this much, MP equal to this much, GST paid by the customer is this much, the rate of GST. Okay. So X percentage of 12,000, X percentage of 12,000 equal to 2160. So X equal to 100, X equal to 2160 divided by 120. 120, this one only, this will be cancelled. So 0 0 12, 12 1 ja 12, then this is your 9, 12 1 ja 12, this is 96, 12 8 ja 96. So this is your 18%. Rakesh's mobile number has a mode is most occurring number is your 9, so this is your 9, most occurring number is 9. 1 2 3 times 9, 8 is 2 times. Next one. A and B opened a recurring deposit account banking which is paying simple interest. Now fourth number question. A and B opened a recurring deposit account in a bank which paying a simple interest 9% per annum and deposit rupees 15 for 1 year, B division for 15 months. The amount equal to P into N. Amount investment, that is equal to P into N, amount investment. That is equal to P, first one P is your how much? 15%, 1500. First one is your 1500 into 1 year is 12. 1500 into 12, that is equal to 18,000. Second one is your 1200 into 15 month, that is equal to 15. This is also 12 into 15 is your 180. So this is your 18,000. So both are 18,000. Next one. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept is 6 and is parallel to x-axis. Y-intercept 6 parallel to x-axis. Y equal to constant. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. C is the y 6. C is given 6. So y and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means your m is 0. M0 means y equal to 6. This one, y equal to 6 only. M0. Next one. Asha buys rupees 20 shares of a company which pays 9% dividend, such a price that she gets return 12%. At what price did she buy each share? So this is your return percentage of MB. Return percentage of MB equal to dividend percentage of NB. Dividend percentage of NB. Return percentage 12. This is your 12 into MB. At what price did she buy? Means MB equal to dividend percentage 9, 20, 9 into 20. So this is your MB equal to 9 into 20 by 12. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 4 5 is 20. This is your 15. MB equal to 15. this one. Next question. This is not clear. The total surface area of solid sphere and a solid hemisphere as shown diagram are equal. The total surface area of both the diagram are equal. The radius r radius निकलना है, ठीक है. So this is given surface area equal sphere surface area equal to 4 pi r square. Sphere surface area 4 pi r square. Hemisphere surface area equal to 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square, small r square. Now 4 pi divided by 3 pi equal to small r square by r square. Now this is your pi cancel 4 by 3. So this is your root over 2 by root 3 is your small r by capital R. Given ratio of radio r capital R to small r, so root 3 by 2. This is root 3 is to 2. Next question, 8 number question. 8 number question is, this is your answer. This is given 65 degree. CD is given 65 degree. From this chord, this is given 65. That means this is your 180 minus 65. This is 180 minus 65. Cyclic quadrilateral. This opposite angle is supplementary. That means this is your 65. This is your 65 degree. So this is your center is double. That is 130 degree. 130 degree, this one double. This is 180 minus 65 and B angle D angle supplementary, so this is your 65 and center is double, so 130 degree. Now this is the nature of root. D equal to B square minus 4AC, that is equal to 72, but root over 72 is irrational number, so this is your real, distinct and irrational. D equal to positive, so this is your real and distinct, and root over is, if this is not a perfect square, we cannot calculate 72 root over, so this is your irrational number. Next one, assertion region. If a die is rolled, the probability of getting a number greater than 6 is 1 by 6. Greater than 6, there is no number greater than 6, so probability is your 0, and there are 6 events. This possible outcome are 6. This is correct, region correct, but assertion false. So A is false and region true. Next one, 11. 11 is given there. If the areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio 9:64, then the ratio of their corresponding altitude. We know that the corresponding side square of ratio of square of corresponding side equal to area 1 by area 2. Now area 1 by area 2 is given, so this is side ratio of side equal to root over, that is root over of 9 by 64, that is equal to 3:8. Next one. This is given, what must be added to this one to show that the result is completely divisible by x plus 2. X plus 2 divisible by x plus 2, so x equal to minus 2, put the value of minus 2, this one is your 30 minus 14 equal to 16. So remainder is 16, so 16 must be subtracted, but here it is given what must be added, so answer is your minus 16. Next 12 number. 12 number is given in the given diagram. Right angle triangle C is the midpoint of AB. The coordinate of the point which is equidistant from the three vertices is the midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse is your, this is your XY. So answer is your option A. Next one, 14. 14 is given. This is your matrix. Product of matrix is row of first row of first matrix, column of second matrix. So this is your 2 by 2. Next. Ninth term of a geometric progression is a positive, a minus 2 to 8 is a always positive. My ninth term of a geometric progression is a r to power 8, that is equal to 6, a is 6, minus 2 to 8. Minus 2 to 8 is positive, so this is positive, so both are true.